If we look at the vapor control layer, we can recognize that it can limit, but it can also just manage the migration of the vapor in and out of the assemblies. Permeability is a measure that gives us the look at the relative performance of material and how much vapor is allowed to pass through it. There are 4 classes of permeability of the materials. Standardized industry tests determine how much moisture can pass through a barrier in a 24 hours period. They give relative rating of how resistant the material is in allowing moisture to pass through. It is considered vapor impermeable if the measure is 0.1 perms or less. Polyethylene film, glass, aluminum foil, sheet metal, foil-faced insulation. Class 2 is semi-impermeable, with a measure from 0.1 to 1 perms, like perforated foil-faced insulation, oil-based paints, OSB, and plywood. Class 3 is semi-permeable, 1 to 10 perms. House wraps, wet OSB and plywood, EPS, XPS, latex paints, brick, unpainted stucco. And Class 4 are permeable materials, with permeability greater than 10 perms, like wood siding and building paper.
Plywood and OSB, depending on how much moisture is in that plywood and OSB, it becomes more and more permeable the wetter it gets. So it can be anywhere from Class 2 to Class 3.
Smart membranes are high-tech vapor controlling layers, which have a lot of diffusion based on a different vapor pressure, and they can be 1 or 2-way diffusers. Caution! It is important not to create double vapor barriers that will allow moisture to get in but not to get out of the assembly. That can cause mold and other moisture-related issues.